Okay guys, so this is going to be a video of how to go from 0 to 100 real quick. So let's get started. So this is how I look like after I get out of bed. So I went ahead and I just brushed my teeth, I washed my face, applied my skincare. So let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do is do my brows. So let me zoom you guys in. So usually I start with the brows slash eyes. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. And I've really been loving the P. Louise base in Rumor 0.5. It's so bomb, you guys. Let me show you guys. So this one's it right here. So I love using this as my primer, and because it is really light, I also love how it gives like a nice highlighted brow bone right here. So love that. I'm going to be using the Morphe M421 brush to carve out the brow and apply the base. Using my JS3 brush just to blend that out. I love this brush for that. Okay, and time for the palette. Let's just use the Jaclyn Hill palette because why not? Okay, so I do already have a first impressions review on this guy, and if you guys want to check it out, I'll definitely link it down below. So this is what it looks like. And I think I'm gonna probably stick to some of these tones, but we'll figure it out. Taking my G24 brush, and I'm gonna go into this love handle. Just kind of apply this all over the crease. Get a flat brush and go into this Flawed and Odd shade, just this beautiful gold shade. It's more of like a orangey gold, I would say. I'm gonna be, ooh, that's so nice, super pigmented. Okay, that looks really nice. So this one's just gonna go all over my lid. I really like this shade, you guys. It's super pretty. I'm going to use my JS6 brush now. This is a nice blending tapered brush, and I'm going to go into G Money, which is this one right next to Flawed and Odd. And I'm just going to concentrate this in the outer corners just to deepen up the look a bit. I'm going to just take the other brush, the G24 brush, and just blend out any harsh edges. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a wing off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did some mascara on the top lashes, and then I used my Tarteist liner to do the wing. So now, oh, and I also did a little bit of Teddy on the waterline. So this one's by MAC. It's just a eye kohl. So let's just move on to the face. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer for my skin. I lately really been loving the NC16 shade from MAC. This is a Studio Fix. So I'm gonna just use that. Paint it on first, and then we'll blend it out with a beauty blender. Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Sand. I'm going to use this for under my eyes, a little bit on the bridge of the nose. eye, I'm going to be using my NC16 powder. Actually, this is NC15. For the rest of my face, I'm using the C3.5 by MAC. I'm going to use this Smashbox Kabuki brush just to set the rest of the skin. I'm going to be using some dark golden mineralized powder by MAC. This is going to just act as my bronzer, and I'm going to be using this with this Morphe R14 brush. My Fetish palette. This is by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be using this for my blush. I'm going to use a little bit of Magic and a little bit of this Battery, I believe it's called. So these two right here. I'm going to use this Morphe G8 brush. Just kind of dip into both. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Times Amrezy highlight, and this one's going to go in my nose. So a little bit here in the tip and on the bridge. And we're going to also do a little bit of this as my highlight. I'm using this Real Techniques setting brush. So it's really small. Just add this to the high points of my cheekbones. Okay guys, we're almost done with this look. I'm going to go ahead and set my brows just using this Great Lash by Maybelline brow gel. I love a fluffy brow, so we're definitely brushing upwards and to the side. So I think for the inner corner, I think I want to do maybe let's do the yellow, the no joke. So I'm gonna do that one in the inner corner. This yellow is really pigmented too. And then don't forget to kind of blend upwards because you don't want this to look harsh. So just like that, I'm gonna go back to my flat brush that we used earlier. So this one right here, this is the R42 by Morphe. Make sure it's clean. And I'm gonna take this Talia shade. It's a beautiful gold one. I think I did this on another look that I posted on Instagram. But we're just gonna add this gold right in here just to make that yellow really pop. So like that. I love that. So let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm taking this Morphe 408 brush. It's just a nice little flat brush. And I'm going to go into G Money one more time. And just apply this underneath the lower lash line. Okay, so like this. And then I think I'll just go back into this, let's just do the love handle one, this one, and apply this right under that. I'm taking my Shade Plus Shape Brow Tint, and this is in the shade Fling, just to kind of add a little bit of hair-like strokes. I am going to go back into my Hoola bronzer and just kind of re-emphasize my cheekbone right here. So I want it to be a little bit darker here. And then I'm going to go into my Extended Play Giga Black Mascara for my lower lashes. I might apply some falsies and then I'll come back and show you the finished look and show you the lips. Okay, you guys, so I'm definitely looking closer to 100 now. So I went ahead and I popped on these lashes. So these are actually the 48s by MAC. If you're familiar with them, they do not look like this, but I actually just put a bunch of mascara on them because I had been using them for a while and they were getting kind of old, and I was like, whatever, I'm gonna just put hella mascara on them, and this is how they turned out, and now I'm like obsessed with the way they look. So these are the 48s with a bunch of mascara. I also, like I said, I added the Giga Black mascara on the lower lashes. And did I do anything else? Oh, duh, I changed. I popped on these hoops. I did my hair, you know, a little bit sort of cute. So now let's do the eyes, or not the eyes, the lips. So we're gonna do MAC Strip Down, an OG. Pretty good. And then for lipstick, I think I'm gonna do this Gold Star lipstick. This is by MAC. This was their holiday collection lipstick. They had like 4 of them, but this is what it looks like. It's so freaking bomb and pretty. But this one, if you can't find this one anymore, you can definitely find what is that called? But I'll try to insert the name down below, but let's go ahead and put this baby on. This is called Gold Star. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like metallic-y. Oh, okay. So actually I remembered. So if you can't find this one anymore, you can get MAC's, it's a frost and it's called Gel, and it definitely like kind of looks similar to this, so that would be a good dupe for this one. Okay, that looks so bomb. I kind of want to add a gloss to it just to, you know, finish it off. I have this one by MAC too. This was from the Aladdin collection. I can't even talk right now, but this is called Diamond in the Rough, which is super pretty. It's basically kind of like clearish with a lot of gold sparkle. So I'll put this here in the center. And MAC definitely has a gloss lip gloss that looks just like this, so you can definitely find something similar. Let me go ahead and set her with a little bit of setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, how I go from 0 to 100 real quick. So this was like maybe like an hour, I would say, like, so not too bad. But yeah, this is how I look put together. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a comment down below of what you think about this like 0 to 100 look, and also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss a single video that I upload. I usually upload, actually I upload every week, so at least once a week, but I've been doing like twice a week, so be on the lookout for that. And also don't forget to check out my other videos that I posted, because I did have a more in-depth review of the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I know we used it today, but it wasn't super like in-depth, but if you want to check it out, I'll leave it down below. And that concludes this video, you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.